Happy New Year to you. I am real estate broker Leah Courage, your go-to expert in Anacortes, Washington. And it's hard to believe, but 2024 is officially in the books. And what a year it's been for the housing market here. Today, we are going to break it all down. What happened this year, what we can expect in 2025, and most importantly, how you can use this knowledge to make the best real estate decisions for you and for your family. Stick around until the end because I'll share actionable tips whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Anacortes in the year ahead. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss this video. Before we get started, here's a quick lesson on a factor I use as a real estate expert when examining the housing market. When we talk about home prices, we often use the median instead of the average. The median represents the middle point. Half of the homes sold for more and half of the homes sold for less. It's a better measure of the market because it isn't skewed by extreme outliers, which we had in Anacortes this year, as you'll come to learn. For example, if one or two luxury homes sell for several $1 million, they can significantly raise the average price, making it look like all the homes are more expensive than they really are. The median gives us a clearer picture of what a typical home in the market costs, making it a more reliable tool for understanding housing trends. Now, let's get into the Anacortes housing market. Let's start with a look back at 2024. It was a year of adjustments, resilience, and some unexpected trends in the Anacortes housing market. So what stood out? Highlight number one, home prices held steady. Even with rising mortgage rates, Anacortes' median home price stayed surprisingly strong in 2024, landing at around $720,000. Sure, it's a small drop from 2023's $760,000, but it's far from a market shakeup. So why is this such a big deal? Because even with high interest rates and affordability at rock bottom levels, people are still flocking to Anacortes for its unbeatable coastal lifestyle. The continued demand for homes with jaw-dropping water views, spacious lots, and direct access to nature has kept our market steady. And let's not forget, living on Fidalgo Island isn't just about owning a home. It's also about embracing a lifestyle. The timeless charm of Anacortes, with its small town feel and its incredible scenery, keeps this community at the very tippy top of everyone's wish list. Honestly, it's no wonder that the housing market here is as resilient as ever. Highlight number two, low inventory. One of the biggest stories in Anacortes real estate this year, the ongoing housing shortage. In 2024, we saw just 290 home sales, barely a jump up from 2023's 269 sales, and a far cry from the good old days of, say, 2016, when 449 homes changed hands. When you stack those numbers up, 2024 sales volume feels undeniably low. So what's causing this slowdown? A lot of it comes down to sellers sitting tight. Many homeowners are holding onto their ultra-low mortgage rates instead of trading them in for today's higher rates. And since most sellers also need to buy somewhere else, conditions need to be favorable on both the buying and the selling side in order for them to make that move. So why does this matter to you? Fewer homes on the market means fewer options for buyers, which ramps up the competition and keeps prices strong. In other words, this scarcity is one of the reasons Anacortes home values remain rock solid. Even with a slower market, the charm and desirability of this town continue to shine through. Highlight number three, the strong and advancing luxury housing market. Let's dive into the luxury home market here in Anacortes because 2024 was nothing short of a game changer. Homes priced at $1 million and above not only held strong, but also brought some really exciting shifts to the table. This year, we saw 67 luxury homes sold in this price range, just slightly ahead of 2023's total of 65 home sales. Perennial favorite neighborhoods like San Juan Passage and Marine Heights remained local hotspots, as always. But here's where it gets interesting. Luxury home sales on the very south end of the island took a noticeable jump compared to previous years. So why does this shift matter? Well, savvy buyers have figured out that their dollars go a lot further on the south end. We're talking about larger lot sizes, roomier homes, and more privacy, and all at a better value than comparable properties near downtown to the north. It's no surprise that this area is catching attention as a smart choice for high-end living. Now, let's talk milestones because 2024 truly shattered some records in the luxury world. Historically, the highest home sale price in Anacortes was around $3.5 million. This year, we not only saw one, but we saw two sales in the mid to high $6 million range, plus another in the mid $4 million range. And just to put this into perspective, even San Juan Island, a magnet for celebrities and high-profile buyers, only had one sale above $3.5 million, topping out at $4.8 million. Why is this such a big deal for Anacortes? Well, it marks a major turning point. Ultra-luxury buyers who once focused solely on the San Juans are starting to see the appeal of Anacortes, and it's no wonder. With ongoing ferry challenges making the San Juan Islands access trickier, many affluent buyers are choosing the mainland instead. Anacortes strikes that perfect balance. It's easy access to airports and it has top-tier healthcare, all while having the same privacy and jaw-dropping water views and beach access that high-net-worth individuals crave. The takeaway? The Anacortes luxury market isn't just holding its own, it's thriving and evolving in ways that we haven't seen before. This is a space to watch closely in the years to come because it's clear that high-end buyers are putting this little town on their radar like never before. Highlight number 4, interest rates and buyer hesitation. Mortgage rates hung out in the high 6 to low 7% range for most of the year, creating some real affordability hurdles for buyers. But here's the thing. Serious buyers who understood the long-term value of owning a home didn't let that stop them. In Anacortes, where the market is as competitive as ever, people who see the bigger picture kept making moves. Why? It all comes down to the quality of life here. Anacortes offers something unique: stunning water views, access to nature, great schools, and a close-knit community that simply cannot be matched. And with inventory remaining tight, the demand didn't waver this year. This combination insulated our local market from the larger impact of high rates, showing once again why Anacortes consistently attracts affluent buyers who view this community as more than just a place to live. It's a smart investment in their lifestyle. At the end of the day, 2024 was a powerful reminder that real estate is all about location. While national headlines painted a picture of a cooling market, Anacortes stayed steady, solidifying its reputations as one of the most desirable places to live, work, and retire in the Pacific Northwest. Let's talk now about market predictions for 2025. There's a lot to unpack here, but I will break it down into key trends and what they mean for you. Stabilizing interest rates. The Federal Reserve has indicated that we're past the peak of interest rate hikes, thank goodness. While we likely won't see rates return to the historic lows of 2021, they're expected to stabilize somewhere in the mid-5 to low 6% range. This could make home buying more affordable for those who've been waiting on the sidelines. More inventory, but gradually. With rates stabilizing, more homeowners may feel comfortable listing their properties. This won't happen overnight, but by mid-2025, we could see an increase in inventory, giving buyers more options. Continued demand for coastal living. Anacortes will remain a hot spot for retirees, professionals, and families who want a quieter lifestyle, but without sacrificing access to amenities. Its proximity to Seattle and to Bellingham, combined with its stunning natural beauty, makes it an everlasting local favorite. Market competition. Even with these changes, Anacortes is likely to remain competitive. Well-priced homes in great locations will still move quickly, especially with those unique features like water views or privacy or proximity to forest lands. Now let's talk about how these trends apply to you. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, here is what you need to know. Buyers, if you're thinking about buying a home, early 2025 might just be the perfect time to jump in. The market typically starts off quieter in the winter months, which means less competition from other buyers, more room for negotiation, and even the potential for lower home prices. Historically, spring and summer are when home prices peak, so making your move early could save you some serious cash. As we move later into the year, stabilizing interest rates and a gradual increase in inventory may offer more options for buyers, however. But with more options will come more buyer competition, and you'll need to be quick and strategic to secure your dream home. That's why buying during the winter months can be a smart play. It allows you to skip the frenzy of the busy season and avoid the stress of competing in a fast-moving market. However, if you're planning to buy in the spring or summer months, there's no need to worry. Success in real estate is all about being prepared. With an experienced agent like me by your side, you'll have the tools and strategies to navigate competitive markets, craft winning offers, and to reach your homeownership goals no matter the season. Sellers, if you're thinking about selling your home in 2025, preparation is going to be your best strategy to make sure you get top dollar and attract the right buyers. With inventory expected to increase as the year goes on, it's going to be more important than ever for your home to stand out in a competitive market. This means nailing the details like pricing your home just right based on the latest market trends and making sure it absolutely shines with professional staging and high quality photos, for example. In Anacortes, buyers are drawn to features like incredible water views, proximity to the forest lands, and updated, completely move-in ready interiors. Highlighting what makes your home unique can and will make all the difference in catching a buyer's eye. And here's the thing, with mortgage rates stabilizing and more buyers likely entering the market later this year, timing your listing strategically could help you drum up serious interest and maybe even spark a bidding war. And that's where I come in. As someone who knows the Anacortes market inside and out, I will help you craft a personalized marketing plan that gets your home sold quickly and for the best possible price. Investors, if you're thinking about investing in Anacortes real estate in 2025, this could be your year to make a smart move. With mortgage rates finally stabilizing and inventory levels expected to increase, the market is opening up opportunities for all kinds of investors, whether you're looking at rental properties, fix and flip projects, or long-term holds. Anacortes is a gem when it comes to real estate. It's got that perfect balance of small town charm, gorgeous waterfront properties, and easy access to bigger cities like Seattle and Bellingham. That combo makes it super attractive to renters and future buyers alike. Looking ahead, the key is going to be keeping an eye on the market. What's happening with rental demand and which neighborhoods are starting to pop? Homes near the water or close to outdoor spots like the Anacortes Community Forest Lands are always in demand and tend to command top dollar. This is where having a local expert on your side really pays off, and I can help you zero in on the best opportunities, navigate the market, and negotiate deals that maximize your return on investment. If you've been waiting to dive into the Anacortes market, now's the time to get serious. So what does 2025 hold for the Anacortes housing market? Opportunities. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, understanding the trends will help you make smart and informed decisions. And that is where I come in. If you're ready to make your move in 2025, don't wait. Reach out to me today for a completely personalized consultation. And whether it's finding your dream home or selling your current property for top dollar, I'm here to help you as your local real estate expert and advisor every single step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. And if you're thinking about selling your property here or making a property purchase in this region, I would love to work with you. My contact information is below, along with my real estate website. I'm real estate broker Leah Courage. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.